Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. Do you get nervous when speaking English in public? You are not alone, but today I will show you how to overcome that fear. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Step 1. Change your mindset. Instead of thinking, what if I make a mistake? Think, what value am I giving to my audience? Step 2. Focus on structure, not perfection. Start your speech like this. Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to talk about. Then move to your points. Finally, close with. To summarize, we have learned that. Step 3. Improve your delivery. Breathe slowly. Speak clearly and pause between points. Smile and make your voice energetic. Use these phrases to sound confident. Let me explain. This is important because you might be wondering. S- Public speaking is a skill. The more you practice, the better you get. Speak in front of a mirror or record yourself daily. You can speak English in public. Start small, stay consistent, and your confidence will grow. Like, share, and subscribe for more fluency tips for fluent English with Shah.